Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Technique Thursday. It's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Technique Thursday to share with you memories and more card packs for making cards. So, I did not set this up well. This beautiful card is actually super easy to make. And let me just kind of show you how it's done and how easy it is to use these memories and more cards with coordinating envelopes. Look at this beautiful envelope. So you get, it's called the hand pen memories and more cards and envelopes. You get 20 scored cards and envelopes. And they're only $10. So it's really cost effective. And I'm just gonna show you how you can make a card this simple using those beautiful cards. So look at it, it's even scored. All you gotta do is bring in your bone folder and burnish the edge, and voila, you have a beautiful card base. Then I took this die cut, which is from the Scalloped Contours dies. So many beautiful options in here. I did take the biggest one because this is bigger than a standard A2. And I'm gonna take my Memento and a large hand-drawn image from the hand-penned suite. So I'm just gonna throw that. Let's see here. I almost did it upside down. And I had it about here. Then go ahead and stamp it again. Okay, so that is that. Then you take, and I grabbed in colors, not all of them. I did bring in mint macaron instead of the, let's see here, soft succulent. But I grabbed polished pink, and this set is so nicely set up that you literally just take these watercolor looked images and choose your color and stamp. They're not the exact perfect size or shape, which actually is nice because then you don't need to fuss too much about where exactly they're going. But we've got next fresh Freesia. And it just so easily fills in the front of your card. Then we've got pale papaya. And I see here I've misplaced one of my stamps already, so I think I'm gonna skip that until I can find it. And last but not least, mint macaron and our leaves. Okay, let's see here. And if you want, you definitely could color these in by hand, but this is just so quick and easy to go ahead and finish off a card front. Especially with the pre-cut and scored, all you have to do is fold with the card bases. And coordinating envelopes. Coordinating envelopes are a really easy way to finish off a card without having to even put any effort into it. So if I would have that stamp, this would be done. And then all I did was glued it to the front, and I took the sentiment thanks from the hand-penned, I think it's called hand-penned Petals. I should bring that over. I took the thanks and I stamped it on a 7/8 inch pale papaya kind of put it off tilted and wrapped my ribbon underneath there. If you've followed us for any amount of time, you know I kind of vibe for that. I really like that look. So, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I tried something else. I tried a different color. This is what I like the best. So I hope you're not getting sick of that ribbon technique. But check it out. This is gorgeous. I just love how this turned out. And it's so quick and easy. Great way. You know, you buy the Memories and More, and then you can make a ton of cards real fast and real inexpensively with these card bases being only $10 for 20 of them. Talk about a great deal. So just wanted to showcase these Memories and More card base and envelopes so that in case you overlooked them, show you a quick technique on how to get some real fast cards, and we cannot wait to see you tonight. Have a great day.